What is spirituality?
Knowledge of your true self, not the higher self, true self. You have to understand first what the spirit is. The knowledge of the spirit is extremely rare. So I will just tell you a few, maybe even less than a few, very simple things about it. It's completely invisible. It has no matter whatsoever. It is so multidimensional that it is beyond your comprehension. People mistake it with consciousness. Consciousness is not the spirit. Spirit is completely unknown. You can spot the consciousness in the body because consciousness is residing in the body. Spirit, no one knows. It's a very deep secret. Knowledge of the spirit is spirituality. Knowledge of the spirit is only with God. It is not even with Gabriel. He doesn't know either who you are. Only God knows who you are. Now pay attention to what I'm saying. You have two luminaries inside of yourself, which are alive and conscious, but they are not you. You think that they are you. One part came from your father, which is the active part of consciousness. It made your head and your backbone and your bones. And there was another part which came from your mother. The mother's part made your heart and your inner organs. So you move by your father and you feel by your mother. The active part of consciousness sought the passive part of consciousness. And the passive part of consciousness exploded into 7. Out of love. That explosion created your 7 inner organs. And the father part was very protective of the mother part, and it created the ribs. Hence you always feel like you have to protect your women. The females, they are vulnerable. They need man's protection. So you see, in your own body, there's a dance of consciousness. Part male, part female. Both of them combined together, you call it the mind. It's not the spirit. It has nothing to do with the spirit. Hence no mind to reach the spirit. It's the spirit which is constantly aware of God. It is never completely happy in this dimension because it constantly wants to go back to Him. This dance of two energies which creates a baby man or a baby woman is actually mother and father. Third element inside of you is the secret one. That's the secret of three. One is your father, two is your mother. Who is the third one? There lies the secret of a lot of your questions.